Hey, so today we're about to discuss what we have done for a week and what questions we had during this week, and also we'll tell you the plans for upcoming weeks. So, first of all, let's start with the questions from previous video, and those were mostly requests for the videos, and that's expectable. Well, the time comes for theme extension, and if you would like to work with it efficiently, I assume you want to have videos. So the requested video topics were how to change the top menu to the mega menu, so to get rid of the burger menu on desktop. Additionally, the layout change for homepage, BDP, and PLP, and adding custom React and adding custom components. I don't really know what was meant by this, but let's see. Integrating custom React.js components with Magento GraphQL. Okay, and then adding front-end React components for existing Magento 2.3 modules. Well, we spoke about it with the Antons, and what we decided to do is to delegate the next week to videos because we have a lot of topics to speak about, including those mentioned here, and we will start from them. And if you guys watching and you want to, yeah, and you want really to understand how to do something, and you assume and you believe that this is some common issue that everybody would ask for, well, don't be afraid to ask about this in the community chat or write to hello@ScandiPWA.com, and we'll try to make your dream about a video the reality. And this track of video recording will continue throughout the next week. So this week, let's come to this week let's like sum up. So there are requests from community related to videos, and we believe it's important. So let's try to make this happen during next week. So for me, the next week will be the week of the videos. While let's speak a little bit about this week. So for the team, we are coming to an end with the first extension, the PayPal extension, and we have amazing communication with the Babel contributors or maintainers about the specific implementations of specific parts of the logic. We are trying to find the best way for the specific feature we're currently working on. And right after we finish with it, we're pretty much ready to move to the next step. We are ready to release the first plugin and release this new version of ScandiPWA where every class will be wrapped with our pluggable mechanism. So the good news is we almost completed plugin system, and we almost completed the first real plugin, which is the PayPal. Additionally, what we did is that's one thing which we did. Additionally, what we did is we implemented the offline notices, and those are currently in PR state. So now when you browse the application, you will and go offline, you will receive a very visual notice, and you will be completely you will understand for sure that you are offline. That was a problem recently because things were loading indefinitely. Need to fix that. So cool. What else? Additionally, what we did is we finished the SEO-track in terms of GTM, in terms of OG tags, but now it comes to the URL related things. Like, for example, we would like to have the correct canonical URLs and 301 redirects, so we're currently working on improving them. Additionally, we have completed the page, almost completed the new mechanism for HTML parsing. So this will mean that the page builder support is upcoming. It will work almost 10 times faster than it works currently on the PWA Studio. So that's a thing. And additionally, we have completed the gift card support, and it's currently on its way to become an extension for ScandiPWA. And finally, myself, I was fixing bugs which we have accumulated throughout the past years of experience of development. And I fixed somewhere around 40 bugs. So most of them were front-end related, some were not front-end related, and mostly back-end. But there will be a huge stability improvement fix incoming, and you will receive it today. So it will be released today and uploaded to the demo, maybe on Monday, but currently it's being QA'd by our team. That's the good news. And finally, we are moving to have the certification for developers, which is also kind of important. And that's a new way. That's the next week for us, the video week, and the new release will be there with the bug fixes. The plugin system is just incoming. I'm currently started to work on the mutagen setup, by which trying to make sure it's stable enough so you guys using Macs will be also soon introduced, and will share how you can install the mutagen on your machines and start working with ScandiPWA on your Mac. So it's a happy week, I would like to say. And that's pretty much it. No new news. So maybe we can check out what you guys asked today. Let me see. I see currently no questions, but I hope you will ask them later on. If you have, feel free to. Yeah, so thank you guys for joining in. It was a pretty quick webinar today. Only 10 minutes, that's a new record. But the next week will be full of content. Stay tuned for a lot of new tutorial videos. And we'll make the documentation in the video format as well. So every page of the documentation will be available as a video. And by the way, check out the new documentation because it has more detailed instructions on the local setup and the introduction into technology itself. And in upcoming weeks as well, in like the next month, we're about to rework the theme part of the documentation. So it will be much more clear what you need to do, how you can do it, and we will promote the videos we will record during the next week in the documentation. So that wraps up our talk today. Thank you guys for watching. It was Alfreds with you today, and see you the next Friday, or even faster if you will watch the tutorial videos.